This property is located in Brooklyn, Wellington. It is a steep side covered in bush. We had previously designed a house for these clients on the lower part of that site. They approach us again with the idea to sensitively densifying the steep upper part of their property with a small home that could be rented out. This is a prefabricated building design that creates cost-effective solutions. This minifab is just 37 square meters, but it encloses a series of spaces that feel voluminous and offers a private sanctuary with expansive views over the landscape combined with crossover views shafts to the bush. This design aims to negate the small footprint by providing a generous volume and expansive deck areas cantilevered amongst the trees and doubling the internal area of living. A separate bedroom is tucked away under the highest point of the gable, creating a privacy and a sense of floating over the steep side. We think in designing small homes, we have a real opportunity there to reduce the footprints. As we look forward to a higher densified living in New Zealand, I think this is an example of what we can achieve. Without compromising on design, we put priority on finding sustainable solutions. And here with that house, I think we have achieved that.